What's going on YouTube? It's your guy Top Down Kicks back with another video. I got a pair of retro Air Jordan 18. These bad boys is called the yellow 18. So today we're gonna be doing a lot of restoring on the suede, the midsole. We're gonna be cleaning the bottoms, do a little ice session. So let's jump right into it. Let go. Here we are at the washer. We're gonna need a little splash of bleach, detergent, cold water. Make sure you put the washer on cold, not hot, not warm. That would make the shoe separate and we don't want that. And let the rest do itself. Fresh from the wash machine, after about an hour or so from drying, here are the results, guys. Not so bad. You can honestly just put them on and just run out the door. But we're gonna continue on to get these defects, get this dirt off the bottoms. Ice session, a little acetone on the front, and let go. On this next step, we got our plastic, rag, acetone. Dab some of that on that rag. Wipe away that front toe like I said before. Get that defects off. Lift up that dirt for the icing. And I'm gonna let the rest speed up. And I'll catch you guys on the next step. The icing part, we got our shoe sauce, and we're just gonna apply that bad boy to the shoe. No effort needed. For the best results, you wanna do thin coats. Obviously, I'm doing thick coats, but that's because I'm gonna let this shoe ice for 24 hours straight, and I don't want the sauce to dry out or anything, because I do have to get up and be at work for like 8 hours, and I won't be able to monitor the shoe every 3 to 4 hours. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna let the rest of the video play out, and I'll see you in the next step. The last and final step, here's the results from the icing. Not so bad, not so bad. Could have used more acetone. I should have used a razor to get out the remaining dirt. But this would do. And for those who has suede shoes, if you want to clean that material, you want to take a small to medium brush. It can be a hair brush, shoe brush, and just go up and down in circle motions to make that suede pop, right? But if you go back to the front of the video, you can see a dramatic difference. The results is fantastic. But if you made it this far, like, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video.